Hey, Derek here at 5 Minute Music, presented by Wildfire Music School. So, I want to talk about fingerstyle playing. Some people call it finger picking. When you're doing multiple notes at one time, basically finger picking chords. So remember, when you're doing this, you're going to be using the free stroke. And the free stroke does not come to rest on the next string. Can you see that? That's the rest stroke. The free stroke stays free of the string. And when you're doing multiple notes at one time, it really looks like a baby waving bye-bye. Look at this. You know how babies will do that? They'll wave like this sometimes. That's kind of the motion your fingers are making. They're moving up into your palm. What you have to be careful of is to make sure if you're playing a chord like the E major chord, that you're playing these notes at the same time. So it's not going. See, hear how it's kind of a little bit sloppy? You want it all at the same time. And that takes practice. I have to practice this all the time. It's not easy. So I'm going to give you an exercise to do, but remember, accuracy before speed. Take your time, go slow. So we're going to do the E major chord. Your thumb is going to be bouncing between the E string and the D string, and your index, middle, and ring finger are going to be on the G, B, and E string. So it's going to sound like this. So thumb, fingers, thumb, fingers, thumb, fingers, thumb, fingers. That same pattern we're going to continue, but now with the A minor chord. Now the thumb's on the A string and then the D string. So that's it. Here goes. The exercise, nice and slow. Thumb, fingers, 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 thumb, fingers. E chord, E major, A minor. As you're comfortable, slowly get faster. Woo! Have fun with it. That's the exercise, and I just want you to get used to fingerstyle, free stroke, playing more than one string at a time, basically playing chords. Try that out. This was a short episode today, but try that. You can get some great sounds out of it. Have fun. God bless you. Don't forget God loves you. Just practice a little bit at a time. Really go slow, accuracy before speed, and you can do this. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.